love being able to use jars for different purposes around the home. I keep my canning jars separate, those are for canning, but there's always extra jars laying around. And my favorite is to display flowers in. These are all from our garden. You can use different size jars, different colors. I think they look so beautiful, but there's also practical uses such as in the bathroom, I've got Q-tips. In the office, I might have some paper clips like this. Sewing kits, bath salts, pencils, you name it. You can see all this here, even birdseed. But I love being able to make special gifts for someone. And I would just recommend, if you're like, what should I use my jar for? Make a gift for someone. It's easy. Just mix some bath salts, add some essential oil scents, and then it's just a wonderful way to have a nice gift for someone, and they will appreciate it. Trust me. Alternative uses, easy to do, and just another option for your jars.